Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you if your Siri is not recognizing your voice, or it's not working, or it's not giving you proper result. You can reset the Siri and make it working. So let's see how it works. So just go into the setting. When you go into the setting, go a little down, you'll find the Siri tab right there. Click this tab. So this is the Siri tab, and when you press and hold the power button, Siri will work. Okay, so there is a thing, the press the side button for the Siri. This thing, just turn it off first, turn that off, and I'll say that turn that off. Just turn off the Siri first, and then go here and you'll find this is a hidden reset, hidden suggestion. So just reset that thing, and it will, let's say if it's some suggestion kind of piling up or making glitch, it will resolve that thing. So reset. So after this thing, so the alt tab, normally those things like the show listing suggestion, just turn off and on again, and the reset your Siri. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.